meantime, we're going to talk about this political war of words that has erupted over India's bid to host the 2030 Commonwealth Games. Babita Fogart has now hit back at the Congress MP Dipinder Singh Hooda after he questioned, the state of Gujarat as to why Ahmedabad is hosting and asking why Haryana has not been chosen as the destination, where Fogart has now asserted that international sporting events are hosted by India and not an individual state, and has taken a swipe at the Congress, accusing it of playing politics over the issue. Well, that seems to be the contention that we are now looking at as far as the Commonwealth Games is concerned, because this time it has been one of India's best performances that has been put across by winning 39 medals, including 13 golds. And of course, the Prime Minister has extended his wishes to all of the medal winners. Let's connect with Karishma on this. So, Karishma, for a better understanding, how is the selection of the next, country which will be hosting the Commonwealth Games decided?
Well, Amita, there are a lot of processes, a lot of protocols, and it's not a one-step process that decides which city is going to host the Commonwealth Games. You need to have a city which already has some built-in infrastructure for Commonwealth Games, and then there is a team from the Commonwealth Games, an inspection team that is going to come, that is going to see that infrastructure and then decide whether that infrastructure can be refurbished, can it be made for international standards, not made for international standards. You also have to see how far, one venue is from another. Can we do it in one city? Because the idea is to keep it in one city with one or two events taking place, in the outskirts as well, because shooting range generally requires a lot of space. So it is not a one-step process that, a delegation comes to India, the Sports Ministry shows them a city and they accept it. There were 3 or 4 cities that were shown to the Commonwealth Games Federation, after which it was decided that Ahmedabad is going to be the city that hosts the Commonwealth Games, because it already had an Olympic complex. It already had the world's largest stadium as well, cricket stadium, which is the Narendra Modi Stadium. So it was just, practical to choose Ahmedabad, because you would not have to work a lot on infrastructure, because we've seen how Australia pulled out of these Commonwealth Games because it was too much on their economy, and then Glasgow hosted a shortened version of the Commonwealth Games with just 10 spots in it. But when India hosts this in 2030, it is going to be all top sports that will be included, in which India are medal prospects, and it will of course be an event that will be larger than life.
Absolutely, because it will open the prospects for the bid for hosting the Olympics as well. So why not look at it as a country, and a proud country, which is now going to be hosting the Commonwealth Games? And the last time it happened was in 2010. And again, it was the UPA government, and the chosen destination was New Delhi. In the meantime, let's put out what Babita Fogart has to say, because she is asking, political leaders not to politicize this issue. It is about the country and all. And that is the moment that we need to be proud of. She is now saying, it's translated from Hindi, saying that why didn't you raise the voice, Dipender ji, back in 2010 when the Commonwealth Games were held in Delhi? For 10 years, while you were the president of Haryana Wrestling Association, it didn't occur to you to host them in Haryana. You couldn't even manage to hold a single national level games in Haryana. When an international level sports event is held in any state, it is the country that's hosting it. So that is in 2026 Commonwealth Games, India has secured the 4th place in the world because of athletics, but you didn't even get your boss to tweet about that. So now you're putting it on a farce outside Parliament about Haryana hosting it. Well, Rahul Gandhi doing drama inside and you outside. So this is now something which Babita Fogart seems to be taking on the Congress party and on the opposition as far as their take is concerned. Because if we take a look at the medal tally, yes, the state of Gujarat did not have any medals that they won during this time as far as the games are concerned. And if sports is said to be associated with the state of Haryana, but again, this is not the state-wise tally that is now being looked upon. It is when it comes to India, which is now hosting the next game in 2030, and that's going to happen in Gujarat. Thank you, Karishma, for that update.